Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to set up SMTP server in Gmail. To start, open your internet browser. On your internet browser, select your Google profile on the upper right. Once you're now here, select the square on the upper right and then select your account. On the left-hand corner, select Security. In here, you will need to sign in to the specific Gmail account you want to set up an SMTP server. Enter your password right now. Once you have now logged in, make sure you are under two-step verification process. Right now, go back to Security and then select Password. In here, input your new password. Once done, select Change Password this time. Now the next step is to search for SMTP test tool over at Google Chrome. Then select the link that says gmas.co. And then in here, you will need to be able to test your SMTP server. Just follow the settings that I have here over at my screen, so it's going to be easier for you to follow along. Once done, select Test It. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.